We are at a neat little countryside roadside park outside of a little ways out of Durand, Wisconsin, and we saw the sign and I recognized the name Caddie Woodlawn. I'm like, what is that? Well, Jesse went ahead and whipped in because I didn't have time to look it up, but I remember this name from like grade school. So Caddie Woodlawn is actually a character in children's books, and they were written by Ryrie Brink. She received the Newberry Award medal for her book Caddie Woodlawn. If you want to read that, check that out. We're going to go look at some of these other little structures here. Now, is that not the most picturesque little house? I love the little windows there. I don't want to, well, first of all, I don't want to get stung in case there's any bees around these flowers. Doesn't appear to be anything in the house. No, it looks empty. Look at the setting though. So it looks like there's an outhouse back here, and there appears to be a sign inside of it, so I'm curious. The back porch of the house. Oh, what is that? It looks like a tombstone. I'll have to go up there and check that out. You know, I didn't even read that sign that I just showed you guys and told you could read if you want to. I'm terrible about that. Let's see what this says. It's kind of, it's kind of creepy. Nothing's gonna jump on my head. There's another one right here. Ooh, I can hear something buzzing. Yeah, bees freak me out, just so you guys know. The things I do for you. Let's go see what this is up here. And then we'll go back down to this little, there's a little, I don't know, cabin-y looking structure down here. There's one way on the other side. There's a playground in this little park. Oh, that's Ryrie Woodhouse. Aww. Well, that's sweet. Sad, but sweet. So this is the Herman Smokehouse. There's a little memorial bench. Looks like the Simpson and Flick family. Not really sure what that is. Maybe an old cistern or something that they filled in. So this would be the Flick house, which we saw their memorial up on by the other house on a bench with the Flick family. huh? If you're ever traveling through Wisconsin and on Highway 25, you might want to make a little swing stop by here. I think it's worth it. I think it was pretty darn cool little park. I wish all roadside parks were like this. Of course, it would take me forever to get anywhere because I'd want to stop at them all. Caddie Woodlawn little roadside park was really pretty cool. I like those kind of little stops because I love old buildings and things like that, you know, that part of history and stuff, so I thought that was pretty neat. That was an unplanned stop. We were not expecting that. I didn't know that was there. So that wasn't in our itinerary. Now you're going to have to hang on and wait for the next video to see where our next stop is.